Hi, everybody. It's time for yeah, okay.
All right, Chef Sean, what are we making today? We're gonna make some quiche.
Quiche, yes.
Yes. There's Easter's coming up, and just if you're having people over for spring, right? We figured we'd try a little brunch recipe. So what we're gonna need for this is the small batter bowl. We need 5 eggs. Can you count out 5 eggs, Chef Sean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 eggs. Okay, I'm gonna crack them into the bowl here. Shall I do the cracking?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna do the cracking. Crack one. There's 1. You don't like to touch it? Nope. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make sure you don't get any shells in there. Did I do okay? How'd I do?
You get any shell?
No shells? Auntie shell. No shells. Only auntie shell.
Yes.
Yes. We could have auntie shell in here, but no shells. Okay, now that we have the eggs, I'm gonna wash my hands off. We need a little bit of salt, about a half a teaspoon. Do you remember how to use this one?
Good.
So we turn the bottom. That's right, turn the bottom. Very nice.
1.
That's good. Excellent job. All right, now we need a cup of milk. So let me get the measuring cup out. Okay, this is one of the kids' measuring. This is from the kids' measuring cup set. The milk. I'm gonna use regular milk today. You can use any kind of milk you like. Okay. Measure it. A little bit more. We have a full cup. No big deal. We've got. Never cry.
Relax.
Never cry over spilled milk, right, Chef Sean?
Gaga.
No worries.
1.
No worries. Okay.
Relax.
Put that milk right in. Very good. Very nicely done. Of course, once you get it in there, it's perfect.
Relax.
Relax. Get a sponge and we'll clean that off real quick. The clean sponge. No big deal. I can get another one of these. This is the, that's right, the cutting mat. Clean that right up. Easy peasy. All right. Now, you can use a whisk or you can use a fork. Get another cutting mat out because we're going to cut up our veggies in a minute. And we are going to use a whisk. With the small whisk. And I have a big whisk. This is the stainless steel whisk. I'm going to stir that up. While Chef Sean stirs that up, I'm going to cut up some vegetables.
The vegetable.
I'm going to use the vegetables. We have a shallot. What do we have?
Vegetable.
That's right, a shallot is a vegetable.
It's a vegetable.
It is. I'm going to take off the skin here. The little edge. Keep stirring.
You stir it.
Stir up the eggs.
Why?
Keep going.
A toy. Wow.
Wow, how you doing there? Okay, get the skin off.
Samurai. 1.
Keep going. Very nice. And we want to slice these kind of thin because they're real more for decoration than anything else, right? I'm gonna do like a nice thin slice here.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
One.
Yeah, a couple of little pieces. Yeah, little stems. These are gonna be like our flowers. So you wanna have different shapes for them. Shape it up nice. Right? Little blossoms. We also wanna cut up our, we also have a pepper here. That looks pretty good.
One.
We wanna cut up our pepper. Just to have some nice pieces. A decoration. It's more for decoration. Right, Chef Sean?
Yes.
Yes. So we make like a little flower, like a tulip out of it. How's that? Does that look like a tulip? Yeah? How about we use this end piece too? It's like art. Art in a quiche. It's a quiche of art.
Yes. Okay.
Say it's a quiche of art.
Okay. Yes.
Quiche of art, Sean. There we go. Okay, so a couple of orange ones. And then we have our stems, right? The asparagus. We can slice these kind of thin. We can have some other leaves, right? How's that? How you like that?
Enjoy.
All right, and then we have our asparagus. All right, we've got that nice and blended. And we have some cheese.
Cheese.
That's got salt in it too. We're gonna put the cheese in the bottom. We have a pecan pie crust. Pecan pie crust. You're gonna take your handful.
One.
Handful. Sprinkle it down. You take a handful. I'm gonna layer that in there. Cover the bottom. You don't like that cheese? Smile. Sean, you don't have to eat it. I'll do the cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay? Chef Sean, you're not a fan of the cheese?
Yes.
Well, you like it on pizza. What if this was pizza?
Yes.
Would you eat it if it was pizza?
Okay, yeah,
All right,
okay.
pretend it's pizza. Try pizza cheese. Pretend it's pizza. Smile. Is that enough cheese? All right, now we're gonna pour our egg on top. Okay.
Very good. Yes.
Very good. You are not happy about that. Okay, gently pour in here, gently. See? There we go. Very nice. Perfect.
Enjoy.
All right, now we have some asparagus that is also going to be cut up. Do you want to put one of those on? Gently lay it down. Quiet puppies. Quiet puppies. Quiet puppies. Shh. Quiet puppies. Quiet puppies. Quiet puppies. Okay, we ready? All right, they stopped. Okay, they stopped. Okay, they stopped. Look, we're gonna put these down for the. This is gonna be make some decorations for the flowers. There's the stem. No, just lay it like that. Try the little one. Just a little. Lay it down. No, lay it on top. We want to place it like on top. Oh, sinking. There, that one sat on top. And sit on top. And sit on top. Yeah. Give me a smile. Sit on top. Oh, how's that? Okay. Now we want to put a flower.
Flower.
Look at a flower on top. Oh, very nice. And how about this one? Over here. Very nice. Oh, that looks nice. How about some red tomatoes and some of the shallots? put a shallot over here like it's a leaf. Yeah, we could add another one. Another one of these. So
Enjoy.
it's a quiche of art, right? How about that? And how about some tomatoes? Should we add some tomatoes? These are grape tomatoes. I'm gonna cut it thin so it'll stay afloat on the egg.
Where?
Where would you like to put that one?
Yes.
Make a flower. Very nice. I'm gonna try this one here. How's this one here? Very nice. We'll get some more.
Yes.
And we're using the utility knife to cut them up. Okay, a little there. A little one there. Right? A little one there. And maybe a couple of these to floaty too, different colors. Oh, so pretty. All right, do we want to add some more shallots? Shallots, as they call it. A shallot there.
Yes.
Where else?
Shallot, yes.
A shallot here. Shall I put the shallot there?
Okay.
All right, and what else do we need? Do we need more tomato? Another
Tomato.
shallot? Okay, another shallot. Very nice. Oh, I like that.
Okay.
Perfect.
Here.
And another green. Where should that go?
Green.
Here.
Here.
Oh, how's that? Are we good, or we want another tomato? Are we good?
Yes, yes.
No more, more tomato? More tomato. Okay. You can decorate yours any way you like. Tell them.
Enjoy.
Say you can decorate yours any way you like. Any way you like. This one here?
Yes.
Where's this one gonna go?
Yeah. Where?
Very nice. And where's that one gonna go? Here. Okay, and one more. I like those. I like those too. One here. This one?
Yes.
Okay. What about this one? This side?
Yes.
And that one? Very nice. Oh, I love it. Perfect. One more shallot. I think we need one on this side. Here?
Here.
What up? Yeah, right there.
Here.
Perfect. Thank you.
Wow.
Look at that. And shall we put it in the oven now? I'm gonna go put this in the oven, and we'll see you later.
Bye.
Say, look over there.
Enjoy.
Very nice. I'm gonna put this in the oven. Being careful not to shake it up too much. Would you open the oven, Chef Sean?
Enjoy.
Enjoy.